Guys, welcome back. It's another Toy Show unboxing. I'm Big T from Toy Show. Today we're going to unbox the G.I. Joe classified Snake Eyes and Timber 2-pack. It's pretty cool.
To look at the back.
Pretty cool. Let's have a look at the back.
A nice action pose. Snake Eyes and Timber, and then let's get a shot. Like it comes with.
So it comes with a bunch of shit.
A ton of stuff.
Right. And a wolf. So.
A wolf.
There is. Let's see. Need a box stabber for this one. Let's go look at them. Skipping some steps here.
Yeah.
What is happening? Anarchy.
I don't know what that means, but I like it. Hasbro. They could go on a Dennis Leary rant.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
I dig it that he's like green.
Yeah.
Oh, he stood up. Wolf's cool, right?
Shade's way articulated. Funny. I wasn't expecting him to be like this.
Does it have figure stand holes in his feet? Because the other Snake Eyes wolf did.
No.
Maybe it didn't. Something did. Some like animal that I've seen or had bought recently did.
This is the bags you were hearing. That's
Yeah.
cool. It got a design on it. Well, it's got a design on it. Something on there?
Yeah, probably guns.
So I was thinking, well,
They might have figured out how to keep their guns. It's so they don't bend. That's all right. I'll give them credit.
There we go.
That is a nice touch.
Good work. Good work, Hasbro.
Let's get rid of plastic and kill a tree.
Assuming this will be a sword. Unless that's in the bag. Nope, I was right. Or a katana, wherever you want to go. These up here. It's got this sheath.
The Alley Vipers grapple gun. Hey, more stuff.
More guns.
Yes, sir. I believe he comes with a silencer, too. There it is.
Yes, there it is.
He comes with the thing every actual Joe in this classified line should have come with.
What? Chinese star hand?
I mean, that's always awesome, but the saluting hand.
Yeah.
Or a karate chop hand. Now,
Wolf gets an extra head.
I was going to say, it's a nice touch. It's a way around having to make the extra part for the...
It's scratched up.
Yeah, it's cool, right?
Yeah, that's cool.
Very
cool.
Take a break and gear them up.
Yes. All right, we're back. We have them all geared up. Check them out. Super cool set, I gotta say. Nice Snake Eyes. The wolf is amazing. Awesome set of guns, which like the grappling hook comes out here. I don't know where
The silencer's
in his holster, but that fits in a couple different guns.
Yeah, and the clip in that one, and the clip in that one up there.
This one here.
Yeah, they're removable.
Very cool.
The silencer does double duty on the Uzi, which is nice. Because it's nice. Snake Eyes comes with an Uzi. Snake Eyes should come with an Uzi. It's a classic.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's a classic Snake Eyes thing, dude. Like, it's definitely dude, my opinion is it's a really nice sort of update on, like, even if it's just a repaint, dude. It's just a nice little tweak of what
nice
already
figure.
worked, dude.
Very nice figure.
Yeah, pick this up at the Walmart.
Yeah, the local Walmart.
Yeah. Shocked on that one.
No, you compare. You rate it. You're the one that collects them. What do you say?
Oh, dude.
What say you about this Snake Eyes Timber 2-pack?
Timber 2-packs of Madden.
Timber 2-pack.
Sounds like a Samoan tight end. Probably rate it. A real American hero.
All right.
Yeah.
I like that.
It took me a minute. Sorry.
Yeah, it's all good.
I just still like this whole. And, you know, like, it didn't even cost as much as 2 of these figures together would cost.
Well, I mean, it's like a.
I mean, the dog's not like a full-fledged figure, man, or the wolf.
That's cool. Yeah, it's really cool for what it is.
The extra head, like, it was like $45-ish. That's just like a steal in my book, dude.
Yeah. No, that's cool.
So.
All right. As always, like our videos, like and subscribe, comment, please. Hit the notification bell if you want to know when we're posting. This is important information to you. Get us 250 subscribers, and we're gonna unbox the Hasbro Pulse.
Yes.
Right? G.I. Joe Classified Serpentor and his air chariot. As always, thank you for watching Toy Show, and good night.